Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your headphones Marshall Major 5. You have to start by open Marshall Bluetooth application, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see the same menu as I have. So firstly, when update available for these headphones, you will see it right here at the main menu. You will see right here a line that update available for you. But to be completely sure of this, we can scroll down and go to About. And right here at the bottom we have information that firmware version is the last one for us, and if you have some update and your phone of course connected to the internet, you will see a button right here with update firmware, and you just click on it and wait until this update will finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.